guys, I'm back with another example. In this example, I will demonstrate to you that how to distribute the charge when some plate is kept in some external electric field. So, now we are assuming that there is a plate whose total charge is Q, and this plate is being kept in some external electric field E0. So we have to distribute the charge, this charge on these two surfaces. For that I am assuming that the induced charge on this surface is Q1 and the remaining charge on this surface will be Q minus Q1 due to the fact that their sum should be equal to Q. This thing I have already repeated many times. Now the area of the plate is A. Now we already know that the permittivity of conductors is infinity, which means conductor can allow easily the permit of external field through them, which also means that at point P, which is lying inside this plate, the influence of external electric field E0 is not reduced by any factor. It is having a complete field E0 at point P. Now this charge Q1 will also create some electric field at point P. So electric field at point P should be one due to external field E0, another due to this charge Q, and we will write the electric field of this charge as sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. We already know the formula. So it is sigma. Sigma is Q upon area upon 2 epsilon naught, and I am assuming this charge also to be positive. So its electric field will be that side, towards left side. It will be Q minus Q1 upon 2A epsilon. Now we know that the net electric field inside the conductor should be 0. So by sticking to this fact, we will write the equation that the sum of these two fields is equal to this field. So Q1 upon 2 epsilon naught plus E naught is equal to Q minus Q1 upon 2 epsilon naught. By solving this equation, taking LCM, this we get this Q1 comes here, this is 2 Q1 and this is Q minus 2 epsilon naught, and 2 comes here, this is Q by 2 minus A epsilon naught. So this is the charge appearing on left side, and by this we can calculate the charge appearing on right side. So guys, I hope you are absolutely clear with all type of distribution of charges on metallic plates. So thank you. Keep watching.